So I'm going to show you a little bit about my kitchen and the secret of really cooking good food. It's cast iron. And of course, I only use cast iron from Lodge, nobody else. That's who you want to buy it from. They've been around for over 100 years making cast iron in the United States. So you saw 3 of my pots here. I've got one more that I'm going to show you how to clean it, because I did a video on pots and pans. And one of the things that people kept saying is, oh, it rusts, it's too hard, it's too heavy, and I don't know what to do with it. It's too hard to clean. Well, I'm going to show you the easy and quick way to clean. So come on over here. And I did this purposely. I didn't put enough oil in this pan because I wanted to show you exactly how to clean it. We're going to put in a little bit of water. Okay? I'm going to take it over here to here. Oh, I'm going to turn the fire on and get it boiling pretty hard. While this is boiling, just let me tell you one thing. You know, people go out and they buy all that organic food, which I do too, and then they cook it in a non-stick pan that gives you all that damn Teflon. If you notice, I don't care whose it is, if you're using any kind of spatula on it, that's why they say use a rubber spatula. You can't use anything to really lift up with. It's because it scratches. Well, what do you think happens to that scratch? Where's it going? It's going into your food that you're eating. That's why I'm really down on non-stick pans, and I use nothing but iron pans. Okay, so you can see that I've got it boiling. I'm going to turn it off. Okay, touched it to make sure that it's not too hot, because I don't want to burn my fingers. And guess what I'm going to do? Because I'm doing this quickly and I don't want to let it cool down, I'm going to bring it over, dump it out. Oh, the thing that you can't use. Don't use a scrubby. Don't use soap on your iron pan. Bad for it, okay? So now I'm going to just scrub it around a little bit. And pretty well clean, as you can see. Not where I want it. So I'm just going to take a couple of teaspoons of salt. Watch this. Bingo. So now the salt's pretty well taken off everything. It's clean. So here's the big secret right now. Some paper towels. I'm going to dry it really good, because if you don't, it could rust. Now my pan's seasoned well enough that I don't think, and here's what most people say. They say, oh, put it on the stove and cook it again. You don't need to do that. That's an extra step. Just really dry it good. Then take a little bit of any kind of oil that you have. This happens to be olive oil. A couple drops. Well, more than a couple. I got too much in there. And then you just swish it around. And your pan is all ready for the next time.